Hey, you're under arrest.
On September the 26th, 2024, at approximately 3:30 a.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched to a call about a stolen vehicle. The caller stated she ran into a gas station and one of her friends took off with her car.
One of my friend's brothers, I don't even know him. I was giving him a ride. I went into the store. Like a dumbass.
She later stated the driver was headed to the area of the casino on West Broad Street.
Do you know which way he left?
Yeah, he's going up towards the casino, up Broad Street, like towards the hilltop.
Is that you think he's going to the casino?
Somewhere by there, yeah. I heard him talking earlier, and he's staying at an apartment by there.
So the officers made their way to that area, and lo and behold, the vehicle showed up.
I'd rather just sit facing the intersection, because he can't, there's no way to cut through behind there, and he's not going to see us in time. Like, if you use the sign kind of to obscure us, I think that'll be good. This is good right here. What's that one?
That right there.
Maybe.
Want to check it out?
Yeah, go. 154. Trying to get caught up to it. There's a possible going southbound Georgesville from Broad right now. It's coming up to Industrial Mile. Edward 9836. Camera's on. Get closer.
Is it?
154, we got it. We are turning west on Lincoln Park Court. And it looks like it's occupied twice. We're pulling into La Plaza Tapatia. Light them up. Shut it down! Shut it down! Stop the car and shut it off! Stop the car and shut it off!
Get on the loudspeaker. They're taking off.
They're taking off into the parking lot.
Get ready.
In the vehicle. They're gonna come out to Broad, probably, or Georgesville. No pursuit. They're gonna bail. Nope.
Motherfucker.
Just drive through the field. I don't care. Alright, they drove through the field. They're headed back west on Lincoln Park Court. Shut it down. We are not pursuing. We are just trying to keep it in sight. Nationwide Boulevard. South on Nationwide Boulevard. Slow down.
Westport.
West on Westport Road. It's going around the bend. We don't have eyes on it right now. Stay back. They just turned south. We'll get you a street here. This parking lot here. 4573 Westport Road. They're bailing towards the building.
They're running.
I got the one in the black. Get your fucking hands up and get on the ground! Get down on the ground! Hands up!
I'm down. I was trying to get out. I was trying to get on the passenger, sir.
Hands together, interlock your fingers.
Yes, sir. I was trying to get out. I know you see me trying to get out the car, sir. I have nothing. I have no idea what's going on.
You have any weapons on you?
No, nothing. Oh, I have a paperweight, pair of brass knuckles in my front pocket. That's it. don't have nothing on me. Bro, I was trying to get out the car, officer. I know you see me with my passenger door open. Bro, I swear, officer. You knew I was trying to get out.
All right, where my cruiser's at in the rear, 4573 Westport. My partner chased one on the first floor of the building. Any cars back here?
They're running. They're running.
I got the one in the black.
Stop! Police, stop! God damn it! Stop! Right there!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
James Cooner. Stay right there! Don't you move! Don't you move! Put your hand behind your back! Do it now! Do it now! Lay on your stomach! First floor. Hey, you're under arrest. (154) One detained, forced entry, apartment 105.
I live here.
Hey, no shit! He's gonna run home? Police aren't coming? Stand up. Stand the fuck up! Good job! Now you know how to listen.
Can I get my money, sir?
No! Stand up right there.
Copy 4567, apartment 105.
This won't be on there. Face that fucking way. Yeah. I shot you in the fucking head. You pulled that gun on me.
I ain't heard no gun.
Anybody else in the
That's the one
apartment?
you just pulled out of your fucking pocket? Bro, you didn't put out my pocket. You look on the camera.
Yeah, we got cameras. That's good news. Good.
What's up, B? What's up, B?
Is there
still an owl in here, or is it just
There is still one out.
a golden here, or is it just kids?
Yeah, Aiden's got one.
Aiden's got one?
Aiden has a passenger. He got this one.
Jesus.
I gotta hold it. You're good. Double check that other light for me. You don't mind. I'll grab your bag. Get still. That's decent.
Lift this with your leg. Thank you.
Let's step in for a little bit. I'm doing an English. You're good. You're good. Hey, you're good. Okay.